Trump sparks global debate with Greenland and Panama Canal proposals. Former President Donald Trump recently stirred global attention with remarks suggesting U.S. control over Greenland and the Panama Canal. These controversial statements have reignited discussions about America's role in global affairs and territorial ambitions. Trump revisited his idea of acquiring Greenland, a notion he first floated during his presidency. He argued that Greenland's strategic position and natural resources make it crucial for U.S. security. Despite Greenland's autonomous status under Denmark, Trump suggested that American ownership could benefit both nations. In the past, Denmark and Greenland firmly opposed the idea, emphasizing that Greenland is not for sale. This time, Trump reiterated his stance, framing it as part of a broader strategy to bolster America's global influence. Turning to the Panama Canal, Trump criticized the high tolls imposed on U.S. ships using the canal. He proposed that the United States should reconsider its arrangement with Panama, hinting at the possibility of reclaiming control over the vital shipping route. The Panama Canal, a critical link between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, was initially built by the U.S. in the early 20th century. It was handed over to Panama in 1999, following a historic agreement. Trump's comments challenged the long-standing treaty and raised questions about the implications for U.S.-Panama relations. Critics argue that such remarks could undermine America's reputation as a partner that respects international agreements. Supporters, however, view them as a reflection of Trump's America First vision, which prioritizes national interests. Greenland has long been of interest to the U.S. due to its location in the Arctic and its vast resources. Over the years, multiple attempts to acquire the island have been made, but all were unsuccessful. Trump's renewed interest highlights the ongoing geopolitical significance of Greenland in global politics. The Panama Canal, meanwhile, has been a cornerstone of U.S. foreign policy. While its transfer to Panama symbolized a commitment to respecting sovereignty, Trump's remarks could reopen debates about the canal's ownership and management. Observers note that Trump's statements might not translate into concrete actions, but could signal a more assertive approach to international negotiations. His rhetoric often seeks to emphasize America's strength and strategic goals on the world stage. The international response has been swift. Officials in Greenland and Denmark reaffirmed that Greenland's autonomy is non-negotiable. Panama reiterated its control over the canal, asserting that its management aligns with international standards. Some view these proposals as provocative and unrealistic, while others see them as bold moves aimed at reshaping global dynamics. Regardless of the intent, the remarks have sparked important discussions about sovereignty, diplomacy, and economic strategies. These developments also raise larger questions. How far should nations go in pursuing their interests? Can bold ideas lead to meaningful negotiations, or do they risk alienating allies? As Trump's comments continue to generate debate, one thing is clear: his statements reflect an unyielding focus on America's global position. What do you think about these territorial ambitions? Are they practical strategies or mere rhetoric? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SF Informative. Show your support by checking out 2 videos on our SF Informative channel, liking them, and writing "Done" in the comments.